Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. In this video we're going to take a look at what the Bitcoin price is doing and also Cardano. Of course we are spending more time on Cardano, so let's just jump right into it. Don't want to waste much time here today. So we can see here on the Bitcoin the daily that we bounced off yesterday that resistance line here. So we are still trading in that descending wedge. We are currently within that descending wedge. We are in a triangle formation here, in a triangle pattern, and we are moving towards the apex. I did say yesterday it would surprise me if we really break above that resistance line of that descending wedge. We currently haven't managed to do it. It looked like it for a short moment. We broke above it. I think Bitcoin went slightly above 44k yesterday. You can see that down here. You might not see it, 44,059 it made here on the Coinbase exchange, and it tried to break above it. We're going to zoom in and take a quick look at it on the 4-hour chart, but here on the daily the indicators are still looking rather bearish. No indicator that anything is changing here at the moment. You can see the MACD is still going down. We can potentially expect a bullish cross here on the MACD in the next couple of days. That would potentially help us in terms of a buy signal. However, as long as we are in the bearish range on the RSI, and also as long as the ADX down here is giving us a short signal with the red line above the green line, I don't think that will be a lasting change, especially as the MACD line is still below zero. So we are still in a bearish range and the indicators are still showing that the way is going down. And also we are facing currently resistance here at the 44,000 level. So let's go into a little bit more detail. We can see here that we attempted a breakout yesterday, or at least we got very close to it. That is that resistance line up here. So, I mean, what we have here is actually a classical breakout preparation where we make higher highs. Yeah. Sorry, we actually don't make higher highs. We make higher lows. We make higher lows, and we're currently, you know, on the small scale have something like a triangle here. So there will be a breakout. I won't be able to tell you what is going to happen in terms of that small breakout here, but my guess is that we stay within that triangle, within that descending wedge. I did say yesterday, you know, breakout out of that formation could be possible, but I don't think it will mark a trend change. If it does, I'm the happiest person, you know that, but I think we'll come down once more based on what the indicators on the daily are telling us. It will be a bumpy ride. It could be that we go up once more, but then break down into that descending wedge once more and then go down to the target level, which I think still sits at 37,500. But in the end, this is all the noise on the short term. So let's take let's take a look at what Cardano is doing. Cardano is doing what we said yesterday it would probably going to do. Let's start here on the daily, currently trading at $2.10. We are also trading in a descending wedge, and we've got here a triangle formation as well, within which we are trading, and we are moving towards an apex. It will take a bit longer until we get to the apex, but in the end I think Cardano will do what Bitcoin is doing, still trading below the 20 and the 50-day moving average, still trading above the 200-day moving average. The indicators are looking very similar to Bitcoin. The RSI in the bearish range below 50. The MACD doesn't seem to do that trend change yet that we saw on Bitcoin, where the blue line, the MACD line, is really getting a little bit higher now. So at Bitcoin we said there could be a bullish cross coming, but everything else is looking fairly similar, and we can't seem to get above 213 once more. So it looks also that we are going to continue our way down. But also I did say yesterday, this a short-term noise that could push us up once more a little bit can always happen. You know, we did that here as well. When we broke down here back on the 7th of September, we managed to get all the way up to 280, and from then we moved on downwards. And also when we broke down to the 190 level here on the 21st, we managed to get all the way up to 245 once more. So if we replicate what happened then, and if the same happens again, then we might drop once more down, maybe to that 180 level that I told you about, or somewhere in the range between 145 and 180. and from then on we do another attempt to break to the upside. Maybe that will be the final bottom that we build down here, and maybe from then on we will finally push to the upside. Let's go and take a look at the 4-hour chart, and what we can see here is that it is also doing something similar like Bitcoin. So we had double bottom built out here on that horizontal support line. Since then we've made higher lows, so we are getting closer to the 213 line. Prepare potentially actually for a breakout to the upside at the moment, similar to Bitcoin as well here, getting really close to that resistance line in a breakout formation. This is a breakout formation, you know, we are getting closer, the price is getting squeezed. Small ascending triangle here at the moment, and again, you know, we could go up once more to 225 or so, but if we do that, don't you know, don't jump onto the FOMO bandwagon. I mean, I can't give you any financial advice. I don't want to. I can't legally. But just be careful that you don't just buy in when the price goes up a little bit. Actually, you know, that is just expected, because that is within this descending wedge within which we're trading. So as long as we don't break that to the upside, you know, I still think we are going to go down once more. And also we need to really see that trend change forming and confirming in that chart here. We need to get above 265, which is that former high here, and see a close above it, and certainly above 280. Everything else below that is still in that corrective range here and could drop down once more to the target levels, which I have on the Binance chart here. The 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is the golden ratio at 181, and the 0.786, one of them, which is at 145.8, right? So that is still what I expect. Looking a bit better at the moment. I mean, we're coiling up here at the resistance level of the 213 line for Cardano, so it could be that we have a short-time breakout to the upside. And with Bitcoin, again, we have something as well here where we are coiling up here very close to that resistance line. So yeah, we could actually see a small breakout to the upside. I don't think it will be a trend change yet. And guys, if it is, I'm the happiest person. You know that, because the faster that this recovery happens, the better. But yeah, looking at the indicators on the daily, I can't see that confirmation yet. And also the price action doesn't confirm me that we haven't seen any higher highs here. So let's observe today what's going to happen, and I will do an update video later today. Hopefully that video was useful. If you liked it, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.